Dzień dobry, witajcie. W dzisiejszym odcinku pokażę Wam, jak przerobić nienoszone spodnie, a na pewno takie macie w swojej szafie. Takie wiecie, które tam odkładacie, bo z jakiegoś powodu w nich nie chodzicie, więc zachęcam do tego, żeby je dzisiaj wyjąć i przerobić właśnie na taką oto spódniczkę. Zbliża się lato, więc myślę, że warto takie coś mieć w swojej szafie.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering. I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Cinderella, I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby. Cinderella, I think you found your prince charming in me. I don't know much, but I do know that I'm feeling you. Hope that one day, maybe someday you'll be feeling me too. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Yeah. You must be magic, the way that you carry yourself. It's like you got this unspoken confidence, baby, you know it damn well.
Spódnica jest już gotowa. Doszyłam do niej, do tej góry właśnie, doszyłam falbankę. I doszyłam ją tak po wierzchu, tak jak tutaj widzicie.